Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Boeing 787 crisis, Emirates big Airbus A350 order and fleet overhaul revealed. In 2025, Boeing 787 Dreamliner production remains limited to 5 units monthly due to a 2024 machinist strike and FAA oversight, delaying Emirates' 35 jet order. Emirates counted with 15 new Airbus A350-900s ordered in 2023, with the first delivered in November 2024, debuting January 2025. The airline's fleet modernization includes 65 A350s, 35,787s, and 205,777XS, alongside a $3 billion retrofit of 120 A380s and 777s, supporting network growth despite Boeing's setbacks. 787 production delays. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner program faces ongoing setbacks, with production capped at 5 aircraft per month as of early 2025. A 68-day machinist strike ending in November 2024, following a rejected contract, slashed output to just 348 deliveries in 2024, down from 528 in 2023. Supply chain bottlenecks and quality checks, intensified after a January 2024 Alaska Airlines 737 MAX incident, continue to hinder Boeing's goal of reaching 7 787s monthly by year-end, impacting airlines like Emirates awaiting deliveries. FAA oversight intensifies. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, tightens scrutiny on Boeing after a whistleblower reported unaddressed shoddy work on 787s in April 2024. This led to a September 2024 agreement mandating independent safety monitoring and a roadmap to address systemic issues. While Boeing targets 10,787s per month by 2026, FAA approval remains uncertain, delaying Emirates' timeline for its 35 ordered Dreamliners, 2,787-8s, 15-787-10s, originally expected in 2023 but now pushed to at least 2025. 787 delivery impact on Emirates. Emirates, a key Boeing customer, has voiced frustration over 787 delays, with President Tim Clark hinting in 2022 at re-evaluating the aircraft's role in its fleet. The airline's 2019 order, adjusted in 2023, reflects a strategic pivot to smaller variants amid Boeing's struggles. With no firm 2025 delivery date, Emirates relies on retrofitted Boeing 777s and Airbus A380s to bridge capacity gaps, spending $3 billion to extend their service life. New Airbus A350 orders. At the 2023 Dubai Airshow, Emirates bolstered its fleet renewal with 15 additional Airbus A350-900s, bringing its total to 65. Deliveries began in November 2024 with the first A350-900, A6XA, though commercial service slipped to January 15, 2025, due to supply chain hiccups affecting interior installations. Airbus's reliability contrasts with Boeing's woes, delivering 766 aircraft in 2024 versus Boeing's 348, reinforcing Emirates' diversification strategy. A350 deployment plans. Emirates A350 rollout targets efficiency on medium-haul routes. Starting January 15, 2025, Edinburgh will debut the jet, followed by Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Bahrain, and Kuwait in February, and Colombo and Bologna in March. Featuring a 3-class layout, Business, Premium Economy, the A350-900's 300-plus seat capacity suits thinner markets in Africa, Asia, and Europe, easing pressure on Emirates' aging wide-body fleet. Emirates fleet modernization. Emirates operates 263 passenger aircraft, 118 A380s and 145,777s, as of March 2025, but its all-wide-body strategy evolves with over 300 jets on order, 65 A350s, 35,787s, and 205 Boeing 777Xs, 170-777-9s, 35-777-8s. The A350's arrival marks the first new type since 2008, complementing a $3 billion retrofit of 67 A380s and 53,777s with premium economy and refreshed cabins, completed by March 2025 for 777s. 777X delays. The Boeing 777X, critical for Emirates' high-capacity long-haul plans, faces certification delays, shifting from 2020 to at least 2026. Clark, expecting 85 in service by now, notes the airline's forced reliance on older 777s. With 460 GE9X engines ordered, Emirates anticipates first 777-9 deliveries between July and October 2025, though skepticism persists given Boeing's track record, prompting a mixed fleet approach with Airbus. Emirates network expansion. Leveraging new aircraft, Emirates plans 15-20 new destinations by 2030 across Africa, Europe, and the Americas. Summer 2025 adjustments include replacing A380s with 777,300 ERs on routes like Johannesburg and London Gatwick, and debuting the A350 on Dubai-Lyon. Non-stop Dubai-Melbourne flights rise to 3 daily with 777,300 ERs, reflecting demand-driven optimization despite delivery uncertainties. Financial resilience. Emirates Group reported a record $3 billion profit in 2022-23, with 2025's first 2 months outpacing the prior year. Clark highlights demand exceeding capacity, strained by delayed aircraft. The A350's efficiency and 787-777X potential promise growth, but Boeing's setbacks force costlier reliance on retrofits. A $9 billion GE Aerospace deal for 777 electrical systems maintenance underscores operational continuity. Industry context. Boeing's 787 woes contrast Airbus's momentum, with 878 gross orders and an 8,658 jet backlog in 2024. Emirates A350 commitment hedges against Boeing's 5,595 jet backlog and production caps, like the FAA's 38 per month 737 max limit. As travel demand surges, Emirates balances modernization with operational realities, positioning itself amid a global aviation supply crunch. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.